All rise. The Circuit Court of Baxter County is now in session. The Honorable Judge John Putman presiding.
Be seated, please. State versus Michael Hall. Possession of methamphetamine, oxycodone, drug paraphernalia, marijuana. It's case 15-14, Michael Hall. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and as I said earlier, you're appearing for an arraignment. How does he plead?
Plead not guilty, Your Honor, after waiver of reading of the information, and hopefully we'll have a resolution of this cause today.
Okay.
Maybe we can recall it.
I will set it aside to recall it. I'm going to go ahead and set it for before Judge Webb on January 22nd in case that doesn't occur.
Michael, if we will do it, I gotta explain some stuff to you. We can't do it right now, but we can do it today. We'll be right back. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. State versus Justin Stutter, 2015-15, possession of firearms by certain persons, furnishing prohibited articles. Justin Stutter. I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. And you're also appearing, I think I said, for an arraignment.
Your Honor, at this time, we'll waive reading of the information and plead of not guilty. This will be on your docket. If we're able to resolve it today, we'd like to ask that it be brought back next week for possible resolution.
Okay.
If possible.
15th, I'll schedule them to appear on the 15th, and we'll go ahead and issue a scheduling order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus Edwin Blackwell, fraudulent use of a credit card theft, breaking or entering. It's case number 2015-16.
Your Honor, Mr. Blackwell has indicated that he will be hiring private counsel.
Okay.
We will represent him because of incarceration for his arraignment. We'll waive reading of the information and plead of not guilty.
Very well. I'll enter a plea of not guilty, sir, and set you to reappear on January 22nd, 10 o'clock a.m. regarding attorney status.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. State versus Adam Stacy, 15-6-4, commercial burglary, breaking or entering, theft of property.
Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Stacy. It's my understanding that the family is either going to hire an attorney or that there's an attorney in the family that will be representing him.
Very well.
For his arraignment, we will plead him not guilty.
Okay.
Reading of the information as to the best.
I'll enter the plea of not guilty. We'll schedule him to reappear on January 22nd at 10 o'clock a.m. for attorney status. State versus Frank Collins, forgery, theft of property, impairing the operation of a vital public facility. Case number 15-10-4. Good morning, sir. Good morning. I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you're appearing here for an arraignment. Yes, sir. Okay.
Your Honor, at this time, we'll waive reading of the information and plead of not guilty. The only issue today would be the issue of his bond.
So what, is there a bond set, 5,000?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you want to say something?
Yes, Your Honor, we would like to request a bond reduction to $2,500. I think that's a more appropriate amount to ensure his reappearance before this court, future proceedings.
Does he live in the county?
He does, Your Honor. He's a longtime resident of the area.
25, you say?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bond set at $2,500. Reappear on January 22nd at 10 o'clock a.m. before Judge Webb. Okay. State versus Corey Sailors, delivery of methamphetamine, unlawful use of a communication device, possession of a controlled substance with intent to distribute near certain facilities.
We'd waive reading of the information and plea of not guilty. I've been in discussions with the state regarding Mr. Saylor's bond. It's currently at $20,000. They're agreeable to a $10,000 bond.
I've entered the plea of not guilty. We'll set the bond at $10,000. We'll issue a scheduling order when you appear.